Hi, my name is Ravidu and this is the demo for in-class Lab3 for data collection and curation. So as you can see here, I choose the cancer cell classification dataset to classify which of the cancer cells are benign and impaired. So initially, as you can see here, I will just show the code and then I will run it on my GCP cluster to show that it's working and to show the accuracy. As you can see here, initially I start off with the imports and then I create the schema for the dataset and then I read the dataset from HDFS, and here I have removed the ID column because I feel like it wouldn't be something that's important for a prediction, because it wouldn't matter when we are classifying cancer cells. Next I just check the count for benign and malignant to see if there is a class balance, and here I again found just to check if there are any erroneous values that are going above the range, so from 1 to 10 for most of these variables, and then I split the dataset into an 80-20 split. So I used the no ID dataset, and then I used an assembler and created an array of all my input variables or my predictor variables, and I created an assembler with assembled features. Then I created the random forest classifier, started a pipeline with the assembler as well as the random forest model. Then I created the evaluator and I use accuracy as the metric for this one, and the label class is class in the dataset. And then I create a parameter grid, and in this parameter grid for the random forest regressor I checked for different max depths for this tree, and also the impurity, if it's Gini or entropy to be used, and also I used a value for the number of trees in the random forest, and then I set up the cross validator with 3k folds. I also input all the parameter grid, the evaluator and the pipeline, and then I ran the training data on the cross validator, and finally I got the predictions using so here it's a bit different. So I got the predictions for both the trained data and got its accuracy, and here I did it for the test data. I just did both of these just to check if the model is overfitting, and now I will move on to the demo on GCP. Okay, now I will show the demo. So let's first just start the Spark shell. Let me copy my code. Give it a little bit of time till the shell is initiated. Start a code and paste. Copy our code. Now let it interpret. This would be taking some time. As you can see, I did add the number of trees here. So I wanted to check if increasing the trees can increase the accuracy, but I did not see any significant improvement. As you can see here, these are the different values that we find in each variable. I just wanted to see if there are any erroneous or out of range values, so that we would need to clean. It does take a little bit of time running the random forest model with the different hyperparameters. As you can see here, it ran successfully, and we can see that there is the accuracy on the trained data is a bit lower compared to that on the test data, and you can see that it is a bit underfitting, so that's why I use both trained data and test data to check if it was underfitting. So that's it for the demo. Thank you.